I already bought the GC. So yesterday we had a discussion about reaction to a line, right? And that I was waiting to make sure the line has value to the people, other people that are trading. Before I just assume that the line has value. So I want to see price react to the line, and that's exactly what's happening on the GC. It happened over here on the YM. You can see that price hit the line, backed up, and so it reacted to the line. So that's what I mean by reaction. That's what I mean by confirmation. When I'm making sure that people that this line has value, I'm confirming. I'm spending a little bit of time confirming that that line has value to the people trading. There's my +5. So you see that we were channeling here, right? Everything was in a channel, and then we broke out of that channel with a hard push. Look how much longer this bar is than these other bars. So we had this down thrust bar. On that bar, we had a pullback alert and a speed tick, suggesting that not only was this bar manipulated, but the buyers and sellers right in this area started fighting. Okay, that the seller or the buyers were actually sitting down here around this line. So they were just sitting here waiting. So the sellers sold right into the buyers sitting there waiting, and that created a churning action of buying and selling. There's an awful lot of data involved in this, and all we do is put a dot right there for you so you know that this is what's going on. I don't have to show you a whole grid of numbers that you have to sort through to make a decision. We give you a little dot that says, okay, inside this bar, there's all kinds of turmoil. There's a good chance because we move this far that the sellers are going to get a little bit exhausted and the buyers are going to take over, particularly when I have this major line of support here. At the open of this bar, we learned that there was along with all of this, that price and momentum had also diverged, meaning that price was dropping, but momentum had already switched directions. And that's how we get the rock star. All right, so the rock star is a confluence of all of these things and suggests that there's a good chance that price is going to pull back right here. And that's exactly what happened. We had entered at the open of this bar, or you got a better fill when it backed up a little bit, and off it went.